Here I have Nokia X71 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So let me show you the most useful features on the following phone. At the very beginning, let me show you the night light. So all you need to do is open the list of all apps, choose settings. Here let's choose display, and here we've got night light. Let's tap it and let's choose turn on now. So it's really useful. You can tint your screen amber to make it looks easier to read or use it in a dim light. And as you can see, you can also change here the intensity, and you can use the scheduled to turn on some custom time to automatically switch on this mode. So that's it. Let's go next. Let me show you the second trick. Let me show you the full bezel. Here in display settings, let's choose advanced, scroll down, and here you can enable full bezel. So you can set the background color of status bar in black by using the following switcher. As you can see, the status is going black right here. Alright, let's go next. Let me show you the third trick. So let me show you the gestures. Here let's choose system and let's select gestures. As you can see here, you can use a few interesting gestures. For example, you can turn over to reject call, you can mute on to pick up, you can swipe fingerprint for notifications, you can jump to camera, leave to check phone, or prevent ringing. In my case, let me show you, for example, jump to camera. As you can see, if you enable this feature, you can press power key twice to enable camera. So it could be really useful, the quickest way to open the camera. And let me show you the next trick. So let me show you the magnification. Let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings, choose accessibility, tap magnification, and let's enable this feature. For example, let me use it with a triple tap. Let's enable and simply triple tap on the screen to magnify things. Here you can change the position by using 2 fingers and triple tap to quit magnification. That's it. And now let me show you the last trick. So let me show you the really useful mode, save mode. So all you need to do is simply press power key. Here let's hold down on power off and tap OK to reboot to save mode. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, as you can see, the save mode pops up, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. It could be also really useful. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's simply press power key, choose restart, and wait a couple of seconds until the device boots into a normal mode. Alright, so everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.